I'm Christy Hartman. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to do some botanical printing on some of the 6x6" prints that we just altered. And these are some of the prints that you will be seeing me complete today. We're going to use the Botanicals on these papers that I just altered. Some of the papers, I love the way they turned out, so we're going to try some things on them. We're going to use these leaves. I like these. I think you get a really good impression. I also think that fresh works great, but this is cold. We're freezing right now, and I don't have any fresh, so this will have to do. But I think we'll use ultramarine blue, manganese blue, raw sienna, and iridescent bright gold fine. I'm going to use the open. I think it works better for botanicals. I'm going to try mixing some colors right on the plate to make variations in color. I'm going to add a little bit of iridescent bright gold, or excuse me, iridescent bronze fine. I grabbed a few other colors. Let's use the iridescent copper. Okay, let's see what this does. So I think what we'll do is just go from this end. It's going to be very subtle. You can use those leaves more than once, and actually your paint will transfer to the plate. So I think what I might do is just do 2 shades of blue and a gold and lay down those same leaves. I think we'll just use a regular piece of printer paper because I hate to waste that paint. I think that's pretty good. Let's pull these off. Great colors. Let's let that sit. We can always go back over the top of that with another layer. So let's use Pyrrole Dark. Let's go ultramarine. Well, it's kind of interesting. Let's go this direction with it though. It's very subtle. Interesting. Let's do a red leaf over the top of this, and this is still very wet, so it should work. Ooh, that is nice. See, sometimes when you isolate that print like that, it doesn't seem quite as wild and crazy. A little bit of blue transferred, not a lot. Let's go like so. Let's stick with phthalo blue and cobalt blue. It seems to be working pretty well. I love when it transfers the paint that was on the leaf. Same thing there. I just love that. I think it adds so much to the print. Okay, let's lay this down. I want to keep going with these prints, so I grabbed another plate. I've got blue on the leaves, so let's just go red. Remember, I'm still using those leaves that have that red, that paint on them. Take this out from underneath. Let's try this one. I actually think that's kind of pretty. So let's use a little Titan buff. Let's use a little bit of gold. Okay, I like that. So let's do something similar. Let's go Titan buff and teal. I think we'll go back to the gold and Titan buff. I still really like that Titan buff and gold. So let's do that again. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with your friends, leave me a comment. I always love to hear from you. And I'll see you in my next video when we are going to enhance some of these prints with some very fun, interesting techniques.